Hello people. I wanted to publish one important video tutorial how to select invisible points, how to turn X-ray on in a Softimage application. Americans pronounce Softimage, but I pronounce Softimage. There is one option, two options in the display option. One option will allow you to see what is behind the edges, but that doesn't mean that you can select points. I will choose lasso, because to be able to do that, I was struggling for a longer time, but I finally found a solution. In option OpenGL, there's option display options. Where did I see this? X-ray mode. You can see either transparent overlay, green. I like very much this second option because this I'm in Blender. When I turned the X-ray on, I was able to use lasso. Wait a minute. I think transparent option only allows you to select invisible points. What is this screen? Can I still select screen overlay? No, you can only select invisible points when you set X-ray to transparent. You can select invisible points. In Blender doesn't have advanced settings for X-ray, but it has option like X-ray because I had to move that polygon. I was searching for that option, but finally I found it because I have to move my points a little bit down like that. Okay. I wish I knew shortcut keyboard. It is still possible to assign a keyboard shortcut. Free select tool, freeform select tool, lasso select tool. If you go to keyboard mapping, actually I created my own custom keyboard shortcut, but you can still scroll down. And I will check if I can assign my own keyboard shortcut. Lasso select tool, and now I will check if I will be able to use shortcut L. Oh no. I've forgotten. This belongs to weld option. That is why it doesn't work. I cannot really... I should really use a different shortcut keyboard. Okay. Oh yeah. I try to search for shortcut keyboard A. This should work, but it doesn't work because I have already keyboard shortcut for weld tool. Okay, but I will talk about it later on. This tutorial was how to select invisible points. I like using keyboard shortcuts. I hope you like my video tutorial. Actually, I like very much that option. But this will not allow you to select invisible points. Only transparent option when you turn X-ray mode on. See you guys.